Hi guys, now diving into the world of object-oriented programming, first of all, you need to understand what is class. So basically, you can relate class into the real-life situation. For example, let's say if you have a group of students which you want to manage. So each student will have the same attribute. For example, they have their name, matric number, they have their faculty, departments, as well as CGPA. So these are the information that you need for your database to do the operations, such as to display something to the portal and so on. Yeah. So by putting them into a class, you are actually defining a contract, so that every student that wants to be a student, every person that wants to be a student, they need to have this information so that you can operate on it. So this is really good, so that you can ensure that the program that you're writing will always behave the same as your expectation. Yeah, this is really important to set up a contract for a record. Well, another use case of real-life situation is the card game. So for example, if you have a card and you know that they are sharing the same attribute, for example, their values, the number, as well as the share, right? So if something that shares the same behavior, you can actually again group them into a same class, which is called cards, so that you can play the card games easily, by interacting the things of the same class. Well, another useful example is this, chess game. So as you can see, this is a normal chess game, and you will have several chess pieces. So this is we can consider them as a one class. They have the similar behavior, although they might behave differently. For example, I can say that everyone will have the method move as well as to eat. So they can actually, all of them can move, although they move differently. Such as for the horse, you can only move like L shape. For the bishop, you can only move diagonally. Also, they will eat differently. Whatever they will move, they will eat. They will be only able to eat at that particular lines or place. So these are called they are sharing the same behavior. So again, we can define them as a chess piece with a method to be implemented. The first one is move, and the second one is eat. Well, this is for the class of chess piece. Now try to imagine into a wider situation, which when you are playing a chess game, you will need a place to put all these chess pieces, right? So we can call it as a chess board. So this is the board. They can hold an array of chess pieces, so that when you are playing the games, you can directly interact from one chess piece with another chess piece. So this is a very, very useful concept if you want to do something larger. Especially when you are working on a project, you want to be able to manage your codes. So to make your codes more manageable, you are strongly discouraged to put everything in the main class, because the code line will get longer and longer, and at last you will forget what you are doing, like after 1 day or 2 days. This is a really, really dangerous situation where you need to study again what your codes are actually doing. Well, object-oriented programming. In the future, we will be diving more into classes, their actual usage, and also the keywords that we need to understand to use class. Well, that's it for introduction about classes. See you in next tutorials.